Check out this Ram 2020 2500 Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: power adjust and heated black tow mirrors included, mirror running lights, exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, exterior mirrors courtesy lamps, trailer tow mirrors, diamond black crystal pearl coat, diesel gray black heavy-duty vinyl 40/20/40 split bench seat included, front armrest with cup holders, manual adjust 4-way front passenger seat, spray and bud liner, gross vehicle weight 10,000 lbs, STD, tires, LT 275/70 R18 EBSWS, wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches steel chrome clad, transmission, 6-speed automatic, 68 RFE included, urethane shift control and 3.73 axle ratio, STD. If you are looking for a new truck, this might